going to be doing a fantastic, very nice recipe, of course, as usual, and it's called the Kiwi Fruit and Basil Lemonade. We're also adding a little bit of chia seeds, thodi si jaggery, limbu ka ras. In other words, it's very, very simple, very easy to do. We are going to be starting by peeling off our kiwi fruit. You can use different fruits such as angur, green grapes go really well, green apple, wow, amazing. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is that आप चाहो whatever fruits which are in season और आपको जो आपको पसंद आते हैं, that's what you have to use. But the idea is to use fresh fruits and create these amazing drinks, because I'll tell you what, rather than having aerated waters which are just full of sugar and blah blah blah, I think it's much better that you really enjoy some fresh fruits. And everybody loves a lemonade, shikanji, jaljeera. So these are all our beautiful Indian kind of beverages which we love to eat. Now, vitamin C, when people say, oh, it comes from lemons, it comes from citrus fruit, narangi khao, oranges khao, ye khao, wo khao. But actually, kiwi fruit has the highest amount of vitamin C. Did you know that? Well, now you do. So I've got these lovely three kiwi fruits which I have put together. उसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा नींबू का रस, just a little bit of lemon. फिर I'm going to be adding a little bit of jaggery powder. Okay, you can use honey if you wish, but I like to use my jaggery powder in this. And इसमें हम थोड़ा सा और नींबू का रस डाल देते हैं. So वो जो खट्टा मीठा टेस्ट होती है ना, वो बिल्कुल इसी तरह आती है using natural ingredients. No white sugar, no vinegars. This is absolutely pure, beautiful food. Now, as you know, ginger is a really good antioxidant. It's great for your blood, and I cannot give you the entire rundown of the nutritional value of this. People मुझे गाली देंगे. No, I'm only just kidding. Is that ginger is good for you. It is an antioxidant. It increases your metabolic rate. It's has a lot of good benefits, but for me it also boils down to the taste and flavor. So I think इलायची, green इलायची और अदरक को अगर हम हल्का सा ये मैश कर देते हैं, ओके, और ये जो अदरक और इलायची जैसे आप अदरक एंड इलायची मसाला चाय, ओके, व्हाई डू यू पुट इन मसाला चाय? बिल्कुल सेम रीजन व्हाई यू पुट इट हियर. सो लिटरली हल्का सा मैं इसे क्रश कर रहा हूँ, ओके, लिटरली smash it down so it starts releasing its juices. I've got my basil leaves here, तो इसको हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. I could have even muddled them, but I'm just putting them straight here and here. Beautiful. Lot of basil in this recipe. Then we have our ginger and elaichi ka mixture. Beautiful. I'm adding some chia seeds in here. Ice cubes. Some nice water, and then we have this amazing chaat masala which is going to be taking it to another level. Okay, वाह, मजा आ गया. Fantastico. जब लेमनेड बनाते हैं तो might as well do it in style. Okay, now let's start putting this right together here. Fantastic. Some chia seeds which are pre-soaked in water here. And we have some lovely basil blossoms or basil leaves on the top. Beautiful. Basil, kiwi fruit and chia seed lemonade ready.